Welcome to Cubism Activity 2, Assembling Your Perspectives. Hey, it's Mr. Rogers here, and I'm glad to see you're back for part 2. Let's get into it. So last time, we were talking about perspectives and how we can use multiple perspectives to see something fully, right? Like the elephant. We want to see the whole elephant, not just part of it. So next we picked a subject for our artwork, something to look at, and then we drew it from 6 different perspectives. So you either moved your subject or you moved yourself to get 6 different perspectives, different drawings. So we have our 6 drawings. Now we're going to sort them out. We're going to get them laid out, take a look at them, and decide which ones we're going to keep and which ones we'll use for a different project. So I have my keep pile on the left there. And I'm picking the ones that are a little simpler, a little more geometric, the ones that look more like shapes and not super realistic. And I want to keep 4 of them, my 4 best ones. And then the other ones I can leave off to the side. Might use those later. Okay, next I'm going to start using those pictures and putting them together, smushing them together. We broke it into several different perspectives, and now we're putting it back together on a large piece of paper. Now, if you're going to use markers or paint or chalk or something, that will change the kind of paper you need to use. So if you're just going to use printer paper for this part, make sure that you only use crayons or markers on that paper, or color pencils. We're going to be using a different material later, so I have some very thick paper. Next, I want you to notice I felt like my sketch was a little bit too symmetrical. Both sides look the same. So I added this side view here of my frog object, my subject, and I felt like that made it look better. So now I'm next part, and I'm going to add ink. So I get my permanent marker, and I'm going to go over the lines that I want to keep, and I'm going to leave out the lines that I don't want to keep. So some of them I might not go over with my marker. And this is a step that you should really take your time with. Work on it one section at a time, just a little bit at a time, and figure out, do I want to leave this line in or this line? And remember, it doesn't have to look super realistic. It just has to convey the different perspectives of your subject. What do you want the viewer to see about your subject? So when you're done with, you're going to take a picture of it and submit it on assignments. And if you feel like sharing it, please post it in the discussions too, so we can talk to each other about it. All right, I can't wait to see your work. I hope you have a lot of fun, and I'll see you in Activity 3 for adding color.